Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to the picturesque community of Rivercrest, Manitoba, a tranquil haven located just a short distance from the vibrant city of Winnipeg. Nestled along the banks of the Red River, Rivercrest is a charming neighborhood known for its stunning natural landscapes, peaceful atmosphere, and strong sense of community. Originally, it was primarily agricultural land, with settlers drawn to the fertile soil and the proximity to the river. Over time, Rivercrest has transformed into a residential community while still retaining its rural charm and connection to nature. The Red River, with its gentle currents and scenic views, is a focal point of the area, offering residents opportunities for fishing, boating, and leisurely riverside walks. Whether you're enjoying a stroll along the river, exploring the local parks, or participating in community events, Rivercrest offers a warm and inviting atmosphere.
Thanks for watching!